Welcome to Factful Fridays. Ever find yourself wondering if your car's fluids are running low or when to replace them? In today's video, we'll give you a quick guide to the usage of most important consumables and their precautions. First up, engine oil. It is the lifeblood of your car's engine. But with usage and time, it gets contaminated with dirt and debris, losing its ability to lubricate and cool the engine. Replace engine oil every 10,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever is earlier. For the coolant, ensure using Maruti Suzuki recommended pre-mix coolant. Using recommended coolant is vital to prevent engine overheating and corrosion. Brake and clutch fluid is just as crucial. Ensure the level is between maximum and minimum. If the level is increased or near the minimum line, there is a possibility of clutch or brake fluid leakage, brake system malfunction or abnormal wear of clutch. And never reuse old or reclaimed fluid. It's not worth the risk, as it is a major safety risk. Don't forget the battery liquid. The level of the battery liquid must be kept between the maximum and the minimum level lines at all times. You should periodically check the battery terminals, and battery hold-down bracket for corrosion. A low liquid level can cause reduced battery life, impacting charging. Lastly, the windshield washer fluid. Always keep it filled for a clear view, ensuring a safer drive. Using a proper washer fluid rather than plain water prevents streaks, cleans more effectively. These simple maintenance tips are a great start. But for uncompromised quality, nothing beats a professional service. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized workshop to ensure only genuine parts are used and all work is done by a certified expert, guaranteeing optimized performance and long-term value for your vehicle.